Alright, now that we're signed in, let's talk about order forms. Order forms are one of the main ways that you're going to be selling your services with SPP. You can create as many order forms as you would like and either link them to your website directly or send them to your clients via a direct link. Before we dive in, make sure that you've set up some services already on your account, as seen over here. If you haven't had the chance to set up services yet, feel free to check out our help article or video to help you get started. Once you have your services set up and you're ready to go ahead and navigate into order forms over here and click on add form. The form name that you see over here is for your internal use only, while the form information is going to be displayed to your clients on the form itself. Your form can be constructed based on your needs using the form builder options that you have on the right over here. Just click on any option that you would like to add and you're going to see that it appears in the form directly. At the very minimum, you'll probably want to add a services field to feature all of the services that you sell, as well as a payment field to select the payment options available to your clients. On the right here, you're going to see that we have several different options that you can use to display your services. I went with a checkbox group because I would like to feature multiple services that my clients would be able to purchase. When you click on a field that's been added to the form, you'll see that there are more options that pop up on the right. Here you can configure the name of the field, as well as select which services you would like to include within this field. Here we're going to make sure to select all the 3 services that we have set up so that the client can purchase any one of these, and we're going to change the name of this field to content writing. And we're going to change the name of this field to blog writing services. You can also see that there are 2 more options over here. One of them is to make this a required field, which we're going to do because we want our clients to select one of these services, or you can also allow your client to select an input quantity if you'd like to give them the ability to purchase more than one of the same service at once. You can add as many fields as you'd like to collect more information from your customer at this stage. For example, we may want to add a text input here to allow the customer to submit some blog writing ideas. To do that, I'll just go ahead and click on single line of text from the right here, and then rename it to blog content ideas. I'm also going to be making this field required as well, and add some placeholder text. You can also drag and drop any of these fields around if you'd like, so let's move this blog content ideas above the payment method. You also need to add an email field into your form at the very least to collect your client's email for their client portal account. Now that I'm happy with this form, I can go ahead and click on Save Form here at the bottom, and also it's worth noting that you can preview this form at any point you like by clicking on the View Form button over here, which is going to open a separate tab with a preview of the order form that you've just set up. You can see here that the form information we set up previously is showing on the top over here, as well as all of the various services we set up within their field over here. To give you an idea of what a further built out form would look like, I have an example open in another tab of our demo SPP form. You can see here that the services feature images which were added during the service setup. We've also added some more fields and options for the clients to fill up on this form. Depending on the number of services that you have to offer, you may want to create a single or multiple forms to have a more organized way of selling your services to your clients. If you need any further help to get your order form set up, please feel free to reach out to us on any of our support channels and we'll be more than happy to assist you. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video, and I hope you have an awesome day.